Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Credit One app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Credit One app that is not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem for myself and this is how I fixed it. So basically I first closed my Credit One mobile bank app and instead I opened up my settings app on my phone. Now what I did in here was that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general, and here as you can see, so I clicked on general. Now I scrolled down a little bit in here and I clicked on storage, and in here I just clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner. I search for Credit One as you can see and just click on the app. Now I clicked on upload app in here, and once again I clicked on upload app. I then clicked on the reinstall app button, and then I closed the settings app and I just waited for my Credit One app right here to completely load as you can see. So just wait for your app to completely load, and then when it's done, you can just go back into the app and try again. The reason why I think that this actually worked for me is that I guess if they actually release like a new update, then when you try to use the app on the last update, it might not work for you. It might be some bugs on the app basically. But by doing this that I just showed you, this step-by-step guide, this actually forces the app to auto update to the latest version. So try this, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.